Hello guys, welcome to Just Pinoy Investing, our road to retirement. This is just a quick video guys, a quick update about Open Doors stocks, ticker symbol OPAN. So if you watch one of my videos in the past week, that the volatility of the share price of Open Door is really interesting. So it started I think 2 weeks ago. I bought at least 1,000 shares and I also took profit in the past weeks. So basically today, September 10, 2025, there's a news that, or there's an article that saying the former COO of Shopify was assigned as a new CEO of the company. So in that perspective, I believe it's a good news for Open Door company. And there are two board members who are actually returning, Keith and Eric Wu. And they also have received a $40 million PIPE investment. At high level, I would say that this is a good news and at least progress for the company. Obviously, the share price of Open Door again is going higher after hours, after market hours. So while looking into the share price, it's going up at least 22% up. So if you are trading for the short term, I believe you will have a good profit already. And if you are holding your shares from the past week, then most likely you have gains already in your investment. So in my opinion, like what I said, this is a good news, but we just need to do our due diligence to understand the business operation. So assigning a CEO, of course, is one of the progress that the company could have, but how does the new CEO will turn the company into more profitable business is, I think, the main story that we need to follow. So as of now, I'm not jumping into the buying another shares of Open Door, because there's another factor that could potentially bring back the price lower than, let's say, $7 by next week if the result of the Fed meeting regarding the rate cuts will turn negative. So that's actually one of the factors that I'm looking at. If the result of Fed meeting for next week is positive, then obviously the share price might keep going higher. So it's of course the positive news came as with the new CEO assignment plus the Fed meeting results. If it's positive, then most likely the share price will go maybe above $9 or $10 per share. On the other hand, like what I said, if the Fed meeting regarding rate cuts will be negative for next week, then that could actually reject the current share price fluctuation or bullish pattern. But if let's say that will happen and the share price will get rejected, then maybe that's the time that I will add more of shares. So what do you think, guys? If you are an investor of Open Door and you bought some shares, let me know in the comment below, and we will track the status of the stocks share price from next week. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll talk to you in my other video. Thank you.